What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Live Life Exotic. So today, we're taking the 570S to get the tires changed on it. We're putting some Michelin PS4s on it. This is just going to be for the daily driving tire. If you remember at the track, I destroyed them. More about the track tire in the next episode. Maybe I'll tease a little bit at the end. We're going to go ahead and head down to the homie John Wayne shop. He's got a shop down in New Brighton called Budget Auto Repair. They do a lot of different types of cars there, all the way up from exotics to JDM and muscle cars. They do a lot of really cool builds like suspension stuff, wheels, tires. They go from tint to oil changes. They do a little bit of everything there, as well as sound systems. So yeah, go ahead and check them out. I'll go ahead and put a picture up on the screen of their shop. Even these guys hook it up there. John Wayne didn't waste any time getting these tires for me. I called him, I told him what I needed. He went straight to get them right away, had them on hand, and was ready for me to bring the car down. So I really appreciate that. We're headed down to his shop. It's gonna be a pretty cool episode. We'll check out his shop. Let's go ahead and get into this video. We just got to my boy John Wayne's shop. We are here at the Budget Auto Repair. All right, so we just threw it up on the lift right now. Got it all lined up. They're getting ready to throw it up, get those tires thrown on. But yeah, I really appreciate that. Again, we're putting those Michelin PS4s up on there. Check this bad boy out. Is this thing lit or what? This thing is so dope. Damn. That's fire though. Oh my god, it looks so good.
What you got?
I got it recording.
Oh, I got intake, header, exhaust, all bolt-ons, almost every accessory that's on it. You know, all
so much.
just everything. I mean, when it comes down to side mirrors, pillars,
Yeah, literally carbon
side
everywhere.
skirts. I mean, just anything that's available is on the car.
Yeah.
Seats, steering wheel,
Oh,
little-
nice. Sparkle's the way to go for sure.
just everything.
Is this epic or what, guys? Yeah, but see, check it. All the different stuff they do. So he said he's done just about every car. First McLaren here, though. So if you got an exotic, you got a Honda, you got an Acura, you bring it to these guys. They hook it up. Yeah, so I'm sorry, it's recording on that. Alright, so they just got the tires mounted. They're putting it back on the car right now. About to tighten them up and we'll be out here in a minute. John representing. Tossing those tires down, the homie hooking it up. Alright guys, so we just got the tires on. John Wayne thanks again. But the brand new tires are feeling good. I can already feel they're stickier than the Pirellis were when I first got those on. So, yeah, we're gonna have to test it out here in a little bit. See how they are. Alright ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video. We just got home, got those mics on there. Those things are looking pretty sweet. I'm excited for the PS4s. Just got a little bit of a hang of them. Not bad for first impressions. They definitely feel good. There's no lag in the steering wheel, but it'll be interesting to see them when they actually warm up. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting these things nice and broken in. And once again, thanks John Wayne for hooking it up. All right, lifers, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, share this content so we can grow this channel, start to do some bigger things and some more fun things. We got a lot of stuff coming in the pipeline. One thing, what it's all about. Creating integrity for yourself as a human being, setting goals, not making excuses, and taking action in your life to make sure you achieve those goals and be the best human being you can be on this planet. So, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence, ladies and gentlemen. So today is a family day and I figured I'd record it. We're in the 570S and we are headed out to my sister's house. We're going to be throwing off a bunch of fireworks tonight, having a bunch of family fun, and I figured I would share it with you guys. I got the new tires on. They're not quite broken in yet, but I'm about day in and I did a couple pulls on these new Michelin PS4s. And some pretty gnarly cornering speed in corners I've been in, and it's crazy, man. Even back when the Pirellis were brand new. So far, so good. I definitely like them so far. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's get a montage of the ride up to Kim's house, and let's have some fun. All right, guys, be safe, and God bless the United States of America. Swimming? What else? Fireworks off tonight or what? What kind of food we cooking? Oh my God, Michael? Both the homies. Sean, what are you lighting off?
A screamer.
Okay.
Get it in there.
All right, guys, so tonight we are shooting off some fireworks. I hope you guys are having fun with your family members. So we just hung out at the pool. We played some Minnesota bags for you in California who don't know what that is. I will show a couple shots of that, but we are shooting off some fireworks tonight. I'm gonna show you a sneak preview of what we're shooting off tonight. So 1 sec.
2 or 3 on each side and light them. But
I'm saying you light them
unless you got a torch.
Yeah, I'm saying my torch.
Hit it. There goes the well. It's gonna go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed those fireworks. They were super sick in person. This is one of the things that I love about Minnesota. We get to enjoy stuff like this. But yep, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you did. Give me a thumbs up. And make sure you guys share this content because I'm trying to get as many followers as I can. All right, guys. Peace.